Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, December 14th, 2020. It's an A day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas flag. Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go owls, hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that are happening this week. Don't forget Friday. Friday, you get to dress out a uniform. Wear your favorite pajamas. You get to wear them in lieu of being ready and prepared to go on our winter break. Also, scholars, over winter break, don't forget you can still do Mayan, Dreambox, Excel, and Imagine Learning. Get those lessons in. It's a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot hoot.